The 139th Northumberland Battalion, CEF, was a unit in the Canadian Expeditionary Force during the First World War. Based in Cobourg, Ontario, the unit began recruiting in late 1915 in Northumberland County. After sailing to England in September 1916, the battalion was absorbed into the 3rd and 36th Reserve Battalions on October 6, 1916. The 139th Battalion, CEF, had one officer commanding, Lieut-Colonel W.H. Floyd. References: Meek, John F. Over the Top. The Canadian Infantry in the First World War. Orangeville, Ontario. The author, 1971.